Tito Bomber, Mom.
He did that. Mommy, the baby saw me do it, so she's learning.
Yeah, she's cleaning. Good job, baby.
How about me?
Very, very good job, Angela. Let me see, Angela.
How about me?
Good job. Very good job, Angela. Baby, are you cleaning? Yeah? Uh-oh. Hi. Yes, yes. The baby was using it to clean the floor. You can use it for the floor. Babe. Good job, everyone.